Once your plank and mill boxes arrive, open one end of the cardboard box and remove the bundles. Each bundle includes 10 square feet. To allow the planks to acclimate, place them in the area in which you are installing for 48 to 72 hours, leaving the ends wrapped with plastic. Clean your surface of all debris with a damp towel or vacuum attachment and ensure it is completely dry. We recommend installing a small test piece prior to installing your plank wall. In a discrete area of your space, apply a 2-foot board. Here we measured up 2 plank widths to place a test piece behind the crib. Be sure to apply with proper pressure. Wait 48 hours. This is extremely important to ensure your wall paint and texture will not reject the adhesive. Once the adhesive is securely in place after 48 hours, you've got the green light to continue on with the rest of your installation. Lay out your pattern on the floor. Be sure to incorporate planks from different bundles to create a mix of colors. Lay out 3 to 4 rows at a time, starting each row with a different length plank. As you start to create your desired pattern, pay special attention to the color composition. We recommend you start installing your project in the lower corner of the wall and work your way up. The wood planks utilize a pressure-sensitive adhesive, so it's important to dry fit the planks to the space to ensure fit and placement before you adhere them. Once you've installed a section, we recommend going back over the surface with a J-roller or laminate roller to ensure a steady, even pressure is applied to the entire wall. When you reach an outlet or switch, turn off the breaker that connects to where you are working. Make the desired marks and cuts needed in order for the plank to be flush with the electrical box and install the plank. Please refer to our tutorial guides for more in-depth instructions. When you're at the edge of the wall and need to make a cut, we recommend aligning the next board to the edge of your project and mark the end where a cut is needed. The wood planks can be cut using a utility knife, handsaw, jigsaw, or miter saw. To view full directions on how to use each of these methods, please refer to our various cuts and measures video tutorial. You may also use the excess pieces cut from the end of a previous row to start the next one. This helps to maximize your square footage. Continue the staggered pattern for the remainder of the project, remembering to dry fit the pieces, peel the backer, and give firm pressure along the entire face of the board. When you reach the top, there may be an irregular space a board needs to be fit. Place a board in the space and mark the width where it needs to be fit on both ends. Use a straight edge and a utility knife to make the cut. Dry fit the piece to ensure a proper fit and then install and apply pressure. For more in-depth instructions, visit our How to Cut Planks Lengthwise video tutorial. Now take a step back and enjoy your stair-worthy wall.